When it's time to file your 2025 taxes, picking the right software can make a huge difference, especially if you want to file quickly, pay less, and still get accurate results. Two popular online options are TurboTax and FreeTaxUSA. Both can handle your federal return, but how they do it is really different. Let's dive in and compare them like an honest conversation. First, TurboTax. It's probably the most famous name in tax software, and for good reason. Its interface feels very polished and guided. You go through a question-by-question style, almost like talking to a friendly tax expert. That helps a lot if your tax situation is complicated. If you have investments, self-employment income, or rental property, TurboTax makes it easy to find what you need and fill in the right forms. TurboTax also gives you really nice extras. For example, it offers a refund advance loan, so if you're expecting a refund, you might get up to $4,000 in as little as 60 seconds after the IRS accepts your return. And there's the accuracy guarantee. They promise your return is 100% accurate, or they'll cover the penalty and interest. Now let's talk about FreeTaxUSA. This is where cost-conscious filers tend to lean. Their federal tax filing is completely free, no upsells to start. When you need to file a state return, it's usually just a flat fee, around $15 per state for most users. That's dramatically cheaper than many TurboTax plans for similar forms. The interface on FreeTaxUSA is more basic. It's not as conversational or guided as TurboTax. It's lean, simple, and it assumes you know your way around tax forms. For someone who is confident filling out their tax return and doesn't need constant help, this means you can finish quickly. According to users, it's very transparent. Pricing is clear up front, and there are fewer pop-ups trying to upsell add-ons. FreeTaxUSA does offer support too, though it's more limited. You mainly get email support, and there's a deluxe add-on for things like amended returns and audit help. So, which one's faster overall? If you're comfortable on your own, FreeTaxUSA likely lets you file the fastest and cheapest. But if you want a more guided, handheld experience, TurboTax gives you that polish and support, and some handy guarantees. In either case, both platforms let you e-file electronically, and both are IRS compliant. So you'll get your return in, and you'll be ready for next year, whether you choose fast, cheap, or supported.